Okay, so today has been a busy day. We have to set the, we have to build the columns so we can set the stone on it, and the hearth, we got to put that in. We had a little bit of a hiccup with the fireplace. They actually mounted the exhaust and the vent too low, which kind of freaked me out. I went into a panic attack a little bit because that meant ripping off the siding, ripping off the inside paneling, ripping out insulation, and I've got about 3 weeks to get into this house. I do not want to do that. So after a lot of discussion and calling the manufacturer, we decided it's good to go. We're only off by a few inches. It should be fine. And the company who's doing the installation, Graves Fireplaces, are going to stand behind it. And if there's any future problem, we'll have to deal with it then. We don't think there's going to be, so I'm willing to risk it so I can get in here. For now, we're going to build these columns. Alright guys, so we knocked out the frame yesterday. Today we're hoping that the masons get here and they're going to be able to knock out the rock columns and the rock hearth for our cast iron stove. So we're looking forward to that. Alright, well they're about to put in the cast iron stove, so I'm going to set up the camera and we'll see how it's done. It's here. I've been waiting for this. I'm really excited about it. This is a Vermont Casting Radiance. It's their largest model. It is a gas cast iron stove. I've had one of these growing up, and Jana has had one growing up, so there's a certain bit of nostalgia that it just brings to our family. This is our first Vermont Castings, which we've had a subsidiary of Vermont Castings but this is the actual first Vermont Castings brand, and I'm really excited about it because I know they're an exceptional quality. The same company, as you may remember, who installed our garage doors, Graves Garage Doors, this is the sister company, Graves Fireplace, and they just do an exceptional job. I'm really impressed with that crew. Y'all need to reach out and call them if you're in the Atlanta area, because they do great work. The very last thing that it's going to cap off this whole assembly here is going to be a big giant cedar beam. Now that beam is going to be a 12-inch wide by 12-inch tall and 10 feet long that will cap on top of that, and it's just going to set it all off. I love the stone and the rock that we put in. I love the Vermont Casting stove, and I'm going to love that beam. So with those three components coming together, I think we got a winner. I'm really happy with this. So y'all stay tuned for that beam. That's the last part of the fireplace.
Russ, why does this vent say toe?